Introducing the Renoca Windansea, a unique transformation for your Toyota Tacoma. Behold, the third-generation Toyota Tacoma, donning a fresh new front end courtesy of FLEX Automotive in Japan. These remarkable transformations are available at FLEX's San Diego location under the Renoca brand, where they have aptly named it the Renoca Windansea. The conversion kits, manufactured in Japan, are shipped over and expertly installed by FLEX San Diego. This comprehensive service doesn't stop at installation, it also includes a full paint job. Be sure you are subscribed for daily content. Assuming you already possess a suitable Tacoma donor truck, FLEX estimates that the entire package, including the kit, shipping, installation, and painting, will range between $22,000 to $25,000. When you factor in the donor truck, you're looking at a total cost exceeding $50,000. The kit itself replaces the fenders, hood, fascia, grille, bumper, and skid plate with top-notch FLEX components. Given the thoroughness of the kit installation, painting, and bodywork, there's room for additional customizations, albeit at an extra cost. You can discuss these options directly with FLEX. While the 100 Series Land Cruiser conversions seamlessly blend with the 1980s FJ style, the Windansea exhibits a rugged and purposeful aesthetic that's undeniably appealing. For those eager to see these stunning creations up close, FLEX will be showcasing the Windansea, alongside several Land Cruiser conversions, at this year's LA Auto Show. It's an opportunity you won't want to miss.